Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. So today's tutorial is how to make a homemade fisheye lenses with your SLR camera. My SLR camera right here is a Sony Alpha 1830. It's not that special. It doesn't take videos or anything. It just takes really cool pictures. And yeah, fisheye lenses cost around maybe like mid $200, $300. Depending where you get it, because I know Amazon you get it for a cheaper price. So yeah. So what you really need is black tape, old big glasses, like your grandma glasses or glasses from like the 70s that have like far distant prescriptions on it. Yeah, like you could get these if you don't have a pair. You probably could get them either at like a thrift store or something like that, because I've seen a couple of glasses that you could get there. You need a pair of scissors, any size really, cloth, and cleaning solution. This is optional, you could use water, but it just makes your lenses cleaner. But yeah. So first off is that you want to cut maybe an inch or two of black tape, and you want to grab your eyeglass lenses. You don't really have to clean it now, just because you got to clean it later anyways. But you want to make sure to tape it on the side where it kind of looks like fish eyes already. Like, there's differences in the way you look at them, obviously, but I prefer it if you tape it from the outer part. You know how it curves? You want to tape it on like the outer part of it. So, yeah. So you want like the bulging part on like touching the lens kind of thing. Okay. So you want to tape it on this side. And with this, you want to make sure you want to tape it in like a circular formation. This gives its effect as like that fish eye. So you want to cut off the excess part, and you want to like tape it around. It doesn't really have to be perfect, but I mean, if you really want to be anal about it, then you could take your time on doing it. Okay, so then you would keep cutting and taping it on its edges. It doesn't really matter how long the tape has to be, you're still going to cut it anyways around it. Yeah, I don't really have a video editor, so I could like fast forward all this. You could skip it if you want, but I'm just gonna keep going and taping. Alright, last tape. Alright, so it would look like that. This is the front part, and then this is the back part. Okay? So, I mean, it doesn't really have to be perfect. You could make it perfect as it is. I'm just making a video in less than like 5 minutes. But, yeah. So what you want to do is get rid of the filter in front. This is a 55mm lens. And you want to clean it. Make sure you just spray it on the cloth. Okay, and then you want to spray your eyeglass lens. Yeah, these lenses are a little bit scratched, but it'll work. So what you want to do is put the lens back on. Okay, and then you would tape the sticky part, obviously, onto it. And you would just mold the tape in to the camera. Again, you could fix it and align it to however you want it to be by like pushing it in towards the edge. Okay, so it would look like that. And you are ready. Alright, I'll post the picture up and the link to the website where I got this from, and I hope it works for all of you guys. Alright, bye!